Good morning, traders. Welcome to our live trading session. Very good. Hello, guys. Let me know if everything is okay with the sound. And let's get started. Another day. Today is Tuesday, the 10th of February. So let's start our live trading session. We need to check macroeconomic calendar before we check our charts. We need to check if there's anything important in our microeconomic calendar. We are looking at high impact news. So I've got Forex Factory over here. Of course, you can use any other website if you like. This is pretty good. I'm looking at red folders because usually they are indicating high impact news. And today we got only two high impact news. Later on this afternoon, 2:30 p.m. we got core retail sales and retail sales in the United States, guys. So I think we got plenty of time to make our plans and to make some profit and to open any trades. Before 2:30 p.m. probably I will close all my positions. And after 2:30 p.m. we're gonna look at the charts again and we're gonna check maybe different strategies later on so we can find good setups. All right, guys, nothing else today in our calendar, so let's move straight into our charts. We got 1 hour because later on at 10 a.m. we're gonna start another live trading session, but it's gonna be on our Discord channel. So I don't want to waste any time, so let's move straight to TradingView, maybe, or maybe not. Maybe we're gonna check MT4. Okay, guys, first of all, we can check our daily targets because it's pretty simple. If you got any targets each day, we can use them to open the positions. We can check both standard targets and unusual targets from different hours. Usually the second ones, they are it's much easier to open the trades because they are close to the price, so the stop loss is a bit smaller and we can take our profits much faster. Right here, this is Euro USD. We are looking at our targets from different hours, I can say. And this target, the price is getting close to this target. We don't have enough space. We are maybe 1 pips away from this target. So we cannot use it, but we can also check our standard targets. Why not? I need to just change some settings. Okay. I'm gonna move to 1 hour time frame and let's have a look. Do we have anything? Yes, we do have a target, which is around 10 pips away. Not sure if we're gonna have enough space to open the trade. To remove everything from the chart. Okay, once again. Let's do it. Okay. So where is our panel? 1 second, guys. Okay. So like you can see, we got target here. It's a little bit too close for me, probably. It's only 10 pips away. Only 10 pips away, and we got some resistance line on the way. Can do it like this. The price stopped at the resistance line. I'm not surprised, guys, because if you look at the bottom resistance line, look what we got here. we got some kind of triangle right here, and the price is bouncing from top of resistance line and the bottom one. Now we are somewhere at the top. So if we're gonna break through, maybe we're gonna look for some long opportunities, and maybe we're gonna use the target, but probably we got chance to go even higher. So we can check if we got any other targets. Maybe this one is too far. Gonna take ages to get there, maybe a few days. So not really. But it doesn't matter, guys. It doesn't matter because I can still look for a trade to go up. Before we do that, we need to check some other things. So I got this target. I'm gonna move to trading view. It's gonna be easier to show you guys the whole plan. I'm just gonna copy this level, and we're gonna move straight to trading view. This is 19220. And let's have a look. 11220, 19220. Coordinate 19220, and this is our target. We might use it, might not, we'll see. Okay. So that is our target. Let's just add those resistance line. This one here, and one more. This one here. I'm sometimes using this kind of patterns because if we look at yesterday, look at the price. The price was all day going up. We were in bullish trend all day, strong impulses, and now the price stopped and we got some kind of pattern right here. So we can expect the price to break through and to go up. We got target on the way. It's close, but okay, I think if we're gonna enter the position, probably I will go somewhere higher. And where can we get? How far can we get with the price? So I'm gonna move to 1 hour time frame, and I want to check what's on the left hand side right here. If we got any liquidity, any important zones, maybe the price will get to them. So we got some kind of swing high over here. Okay, this is our buy side liquidity. The price might be heading to this liquidity right here, and this can be our target. Why not? It's around 40 pips, so it's okay. It's all right. We don't have any imbalances right here on the left hand side, because imbalances, the price like to react on this kind of zones. So we don't have anything right here. So if we're gonna break through, probably we're gonna go straight up. The only place we can stop on the way to go up is high from yesterday. So we're gonna mark this on the chart, because if we're gonna enter the position, probably after getting to the target or swing high from yesterday, we're gonna have to secure the trade. We will see. We're gonna look for the entry from 5-minute time frame, because I want to set the smallest stop loss as I can. Template, 1 second. This is previous day high. Good. Previous day high. We're gonna change the color so you can see it better. Okay. So we got previous day high. The price stopped, and there is a chance we're gonna get to the bottom. We're gonna bounce again, and we might go up later on. So now we can move to 5 minutes time frame, and we can look for the place to maybe enter the position. You can see there is a reaction at this resistance line. We might go down now. We can bounce from the bottom, can go up. I'm gonna add Asian session, because maybe we're gonna be able to use Asian session to go higher, because we got some resistance line right here, and this is at the moment, this is support for buyers. Okay, but also this is Asian session. So when we are looking at Asian session, we can mark important zone, which is liquidity zone from Asian session from the top and from the bottom. On both sides, we got some liquidity from Asian session. So we're gonna try to use that liquidity zone. That's the one on this side. This is liquid pool, okay, and the other side is right here. For me, this zone is better because if we're gonna drop down and the price will get here into liquidity zone, we can expect the price will react and we're gonna go back into this triangle, and after the breakout we can go straight up. So we need some fuel to go up, and this zone is liquidity zone, so it's some kind of fuel for, in this case it might be fuel for buyers. And from higher time frame it can look like only wick left behind, and we're gonna see, candles going up. But if we're gonna break through and there will be no reaction in this area, there is a chance we're gonna drop down. So reaction must be somewhere around this area. After the breakout, if we're gonna go lower, probably we're gonna look for some short opportunities. We're gonna change the plan for shorts, okay? But they don't have to get here. We can break through now. So we're gonna look for this breakout. We're gonna break through. We're gonna wait probably for the retest. I'm gonna try to go up. Maybe small trade, few pips to get to the target or to previous day high. We can do that, why not? But I think we can get much more from this trade. I think we can get a little bit higher. So yes, we're gonna have to wait another maybe 15-20 minutes. We will see, because there is a reaction at this resistance line, and probably we're gonna go a little bit lower. So we need to wait a few more minutes, but for sure I want to use this area right here. If not, if we're gonna break through, we're gonna look for the retest, okay? The retest, and we got some support zone as well right here from lower time frame. This is some kind of support resistance zone. We had some reactions here, few times already. So if we're gonna break through, we can wait for retest of this trend line or this support resistance zone, and after reaction we're gonna try to enter the position. If we're gonna use this target, we can set small stop loss for few pips under the support resistance zone, and we might get to this target. Maybe. We will see. This can be a good plan, but first we need to wait for the breakout. At this moment, the price is somewhere, let's say, in the middle here. So we're gonna come back to this plan. I just want to save it for later. So we're gonna put that in trading journal. Okay, this can be option for us to get to the target 1 to 2 risk to reward. But if we're gonna enter the position, we can also set a little bit bigger stop loss, and we can try to get a little bit higher, at least to yesterday high, maybe even higher. So we will see. We're gonna decide later. I'm just gonna make a screenshot and we're gonna put that in our trading journal desktop. 2 seconds, guys. Where is this PC? Desktop. Oh, come on. Live sessions, and today is the 10th of February. Okay. And this is Euro USD. Okay, you can see the price slowly going down. So we got time, no rush. Okay, so let's put that in our trading journal. Add new trade. This is Euro USD. We want to go up. Strategy. Let's say it's ASAP because we're gonna try to get to the target. Lot size. I'm not sure at this moment, so we're gonna add that later. Profit not sure now. Open price random, because I'm not sure where we're gonna open the trade. So we're gonna change those things later after we're gonna open the trade. The date is 2026. Open time, not sure yet. Add that later. Top loss maybe 10 pips. Take profit 20. I'm gonna reach 0.25%. So let's choose the file. Live sessions. Okay, I'm gonna save the trade. So this is the first plan of the day. Let's have a look. Trading plan today. Yeah, this is the first plan of the day. Let me just try to make it a little bit louder. Should be okay now. All right, so let's go back to euro. Oh, there is strong reaction of buyers. Sometimes we can use also volume footprint to spot the best candle to enter the position, but this is not necessary. Okay, sometimes I use it for another confirmation, but it's not necessary. Another reaction here. We might break through in the second. Okay. There is also chance that if we're gonna break through, the price might go straight up. Okay, it can happen. If you look at the yesterday, the price went up without any pullbacks, small pullbacks, and they were going straight up. So we got a few more minutes time. We can have a look at other instruments. Gold, guys, I'm not gonna touch gold because I don't like gold when it's in the range, and we can see the price is moving in the range up and down. I don't like the situations on gold. I usually hit stop losses when I'm trading in this kind of situation, so I don't like it. I prefer to wait for maybe later when the when the direction will be set. Maybe they're gonna go up or down. You're gonna look for some pullbacks. Not at this moment. The price stuck in this kind of range. It's a bit slow, like you can see. Today we done 800 pips. It's nothing now. So I don't want to use gold for now. Let them set direction, and then we're gonna try to join them. Like yesterday, guys, we catch very nice move. We enter the position right in this place, and we catch very nice move. But we need to wait for the right moment. So gold, I'm gonna leave it for now. We got some other instruments we can have a look. So this is euro. We done that already. So let's have a look at GBP USD indicators. Volume edge. We don't need that for now. I want to check if we got any targets from our panel. Look at the statistics, guys. This target got 87% chances that the price will get to this target today. So I want to use this kind of information because this is very important. Our chances for success are much bigger. But the only thing is we need to find the right place to enter the position. And at this moment, the price is going slowly down. So let's have a look for the place where we can maybe look for some opportunity to go up. We got 19 pips. Could be better. So if the price will drop lower, it's gonna be even better for us because we're gonna have much more space to enter the trade. 1 second, I need to remove those objects because we got too much on our screen. Okay, let's load it. Let's check 7 a.m. Oh, no, okay. This one is 87. Okay, this is okay. All right, so we got our target. Let's have a look for 1 hour time frame. I will look for the clusters, but something it doesn't work here. Okay, no problem. Not a problem, guys. I would like to move to trading view because it's gonna be easier for me to show you guys the simple things. I'm just gonna copy this target 36863. That's our target, and we got good. I just need to change color, and okay, we are ready. So that's our target. Check 1 hour time frame. And we can see Asian session, so the price is getting into liquidity zone from Asian session, so we can use basically liquidity zone from Asian session. Why not? Sometimes it's a trigger for buyers or sellers. I think we can try to find some rotation channel here as well, or a support line for buyers, because it might be helpful. So let's try to do this. And on the other side, is it working? Not that much. Let 1 second, guys. We're gonna try to do it in a different way. No, I don't think I want to do it like that. Yeah, I think it needs to stay like this with small overshoot. That's okay. So we are getting close to the bottom of this rotation channel, let's say. So you can try to find this place where the price can bounce, and we're gonna try to enter the position. I'm looking for some support resistance zone. We can mark those areas on the chart. That for sure. We got imbalance here, but this imbalance, it doesn't really matter. You can see this candle this week right here. Just close this imbalance, let's say. But we got another one here. Maybe we're gonna use this imbalance right here. Okay, this is imbalance. Let's move to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, you can see we are not too far from the imbalance from 1 hour time frame. I'm just gonna add description, guys. Settings, text. Imbalance 1 hour time frame. Okay. Let's center. Sorry. Okay, so this is imbalance from 1 hour time frame. We got some liquidity zone. We can mark liquidity zone also on our chart. So the price is already in this liquidity zone. This is our liquid pool. We got target. We want to get to this target, okay? 2 seconds, I'm gonna have a look at euro. Okay, we still need to wait. You can see the price bounce from top to the bottom. Probably you're gonna get to the top again. Anyway, and GBP USD. So for me, the best, if we're gonna go a little bit lower so we can get into this imbalance, and maybe we can bounce from this kind of rotation channel. We're gonna have much more space to our target, and we can add simple trend line sometimes, and it can help us to make decision to open the trade. But this area is pretty interesting. I'm gonna add trend line for now. Maybe later we're gonna change it, but for now I'm gonna leave it like this. Probably we're gonna change it. Just want to see if there will be a reaction at this trend line or not. Okay. One more thing, I'm gonna check volume profile. This impulse right here. Oh, it's a bit low. Okay, it doesn't matter. So can we find any other confirmations? I think we can, because we got access to volume levels, guys. So we can check volume levels. Sometimes reactions at volume levels are quite strong. So if we're gonna find any volume level close to the area where we are looking to enter the position, sometimes we can set pending order in that area. So let's check if we got any volume levels, because it might help us to make decision. Okay. There is a chance, of course, that the price will break through and we're gonna get to the target straight away, because they grabbed some liquidity. Okay, so this scenario also can happen, but I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to set the right stop loss. I don't want to set stop loss too tight, because we can get stop loss and we don't want to do that. GBP. Okay, let's check volume levels. Volume. Okay, we got two volume levels, but they are a little bit lower, guys. They are here. Where is that area? Very low. It's gonna be outside our rotation channel. So no, probably we're gonna leave them for now, unless the price later on will drop down and there will be reaction here, or maybe we're gonna look for some short positions after reaction. But we cannot use those ones for now. So it doesn't matter, because it's outside our trading range for this moment. So yes, we can have a look at this area. I think it's pretty interesting. The price is moving a bit slow now, so we might have to wait for this maybe another hour, something a little bit more, and after we're gonna have a chance to enter the trade. But this area, it's, I think it's a nice area to look for the entry, the position. Okay, unless we're gonna break through straight away. So let's make a plan and let's put that in our trading journal. We can try to get to this target right here. Pretty sure we can get 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so I'm gonna make a screenshot. Save. This is GBP USD. Let's say it's basic buy, or all in ASAP strategy, as a bit mix of two strategies, but doesn't matter. We want to make profits. Okay. All right, so let's put that trading plan into our trading journal. This is GBP USD strategy. Okay, let's say ASAP lot size 1 profit. We're gonna change that later, guys. So at the moment it doesn't matter. Oh, sorry, today is 10th. Come on. Open time, not sure. Close time. And risk 0.25 probably. So let me just add the screen. Okay, and this is trading plan. Trading plan. So we got two plans today. Let's have a look. First one is on Euro USD, and the other one is on British pound. So let's wait for those situations, guys, and we're gonna try to enter the trade. So we got two, Euro and GBP. We can look for another one. Look at this, guys. This triangle is definitely working because we can see the prices bouncing from the edges. Might drop down and then boom. Slowly, let's wait for the right moment. So we got euro, we got GBP. Do we have any other targets? Let's check USD CHF. There is one target a little bit lower, it's 7 pips away. For me, it's too close at this moment, but doesn't mean we cannot use it because look at this volume level. I just want to make sure if it's okay. So I'm gonna remove that and refresh again. Volume edge, because this is the nice place where this where we have this volume level. Volume edge, okay. Yes, definitely nice place for a trade. Why? I will explain you in a second. Let me just copy that 76817 76817. 817. So this is our volume level. The color doesn't matter. Let's say it's red. Okay. This is our volume level. And look, where is this volume level? In which area? I'm talking about Asian session, and this is our liquidity zone from Asian session. And if we look at higher time frame, guys, I know we are after strong impulse, but it doesn't mean the price needs to come back here today. We can drop down lower. So if the market needs the fuel, they use liquidity zones to get some fuel. And if they want to go down, this area is nice area to get some fuel to drop even lower. So we're gonna look at this Asian session liquidity. We got volume level, so this volume level can be a trigger for buyers. And also I think this exponential moving average also might help us to go down. So we got volume level. Let's mark liquidity zone. First of all, I'm gonna mark this kind of liquid pool. Okay, somewhere around this area, but also we got some liquidity a little bit higher. They might grab this liquidity also, buy side liquidity. 2 seconds, guys. Okay. And the target is at level 76629. 76629. If the price will get to the target now, I'm not worried too much, guys, because we're gonna use basic sell setup and we can try to get to the other side of liquidity zone of Asian session, okay? So if we're gonna get to this target now and the price will go up, we can look for some short position and our target can be liquidity zone from the other side, because usually market is moving from liquidity to liquidity, guys. So this target can help us if we're gonna go up now, but it's not necessary for our setup at this moment, okay? It will help us because if we look at the statistics, we got 88% chances that the price will get here today. So better for us if the price will go up now and then we're gonna drop, because this is another confirmation for us to go down. So we have this liquid zone. We got volume level, so we got some pending orders set over there, and also top losses. These are also pending orders. A little bit higher, there is some liquidity zone also. So if the price will go up, and we're gonna have strong reaction, we can add the simple trend line just, you know, to make sure we are breaking through. Probably later we're gonna change this trend line, but at this point it's looking like this. And we can look for the trade to get to the target, okay? Sometimes there's no pullbacks, guys. USD CHF, sometimes after the breakout, they are going straight up. So if you want to enter the position more aggressive, usually after 2 candles closing under the trend line, and there is a chance to open the trade. But when I see some imbalance, I usually set order at imbalance. So we're gonna decide later. It depends on the conditions on the market, but at this moment it can look something like this. We're gonna have enough space to enter the position 2 to 1 for sure. Okay. Yes. Let's save it. It's USD CHF. Okay, the trading journal, add new trade, USD CHF, USD CHF. Want to go down, trading plan, strategy, basic sell. End of February 2026, open time. Stop loss, take profit. Risk 0.25, okay. Use file. Save trade, trading plan. We got 3 plans already, guys. We can make another like 2, and then all we need to do is just to wait for the right situation on the market. The plan is ready, so need to just wait for the right moment to enter the position. Let's make another 2. We got Euro, GBP, USD, CHF, and that's okay. Euro, USD. Not yet. Not yet. Slowly. GBP, USD, not yet. USD, CHF, not yet. Canadian dollar. Gonna be similar. Maybe let's have a look at crude oil. Crude oil. I think Pablo made a plan on crude oil in the morning. Flashing lights. Okay, let's have a look from higher time frame first, because I want to see where we at. This is 1 hour time frame. Let's move to 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour time frame, guys. Where the price is heading? We can see the price is moving from higher time frame in the bullish rotation channel. So we are somewhere in the middle, nearly middle of the channel. So we can basically look for both long and short opportunities. That's okay. We don't need to focus on long positions because we are in bullish rotation channel from 4 hour time frame. It doesn't matter, guys. We can still look for some shorts. Of course, it's better to buy in bullish rotation channel, but sometimes the price is coming back. They are bouncing from the bottom edge of rotation channel, and this can be the place where we want to enter the position. But anyway, what's going on from 1 hour time frame? 1 hour time frame. I want to check if we got any target. I think Pablo was setting. Oh, there is a target down the bottom, guys. 29 pips. 29 pips. Okay. Oh, oh. Guys, I think we can use the target which is at the bottom, because look at this trend line right here. The price went through, came back, retested, and we might have a chance to go down. We can try to use order volume footprint, order flow for another confirmation. Unfortunately, I cannot see our pattern, what we are looking for, but when we look at delta is minus, so we got more sellers than buyers. That's okay, but we cannot use it at this moment. Let's have a look quickly at that target 6387, because maybe we're gonna enter the position. Once again, 6387. 6387 is our target. 5 minutes time frame. We are after the retest, but do we have enough space? 1.5, 1 to 1.5 maybe. Why it's not showing me clusters, guys? Why? Oh, we got cluster here. Oh, that's a good place to go down, bounce from here, and to go up. Grab some liquidity, maybe reaction at volume level, and from this place, maybe you can go up. We can try to make this kind of plan, but first let's focus on this target, because we are not too far. We are after the retest, but the price slowed down now, and it doesn't look they want to go down at this moment. 1 minute time frame. We might retest this trend line again. Okay. Target. Guys, the place where we got target is pretty nice. If we're not gonna enter short position, we can make a plan how to open the trade to go up, because this is some kind of support resistance zone. Look, guys, right here, the price was reacting. After the breakout, we had retest, the price went up, retested again, and if we're gonna get here, it's support for buyers, basically. So in this area, we got, first of all, target. A little bit lower, we got cluster from our strategy all-in ASAP. This is support resistance zone. We got some liquidity from yesterday, from today's low, so from Asian session. So it's all in one place. If we're gonna have volume level, that will be even strong. We have volume level 6374, sorry. 6374. 6374. And this is volume red. Okay, a little bit lower, but I think it's in the area where we got cluster. Yes, that's right. That is right. And of course, liquidity from Asian session. We got Asian session right here, and we got some liquidity zone underneath. So look at this, guys. We got target, support resistance zone, volume level, and cluster, all in one place. So from here, I will look for some long opportunities, guys. This area is pretty nice, but the question is, are we gonna drop down now or not? Because I would like to enter the position. It's a bit tight. I like risk reward 1 to 5, but for this trade 1 to 5 it's not possible, no chance. 1 to 1, I try not to open position 1 to 1 because if you are using this kind of risk to reward ratio, your win rate must be high. Let's say high, more. Let's say more than 70%. This is 1.5. It's not too bad, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna remove it for now. I don't want to. Don't get me wrong. I'm not entering position right now. I need reaction, strong reaction of sellers. Maybe we're gonna retest it again, and there will be reaction. If not, if they're gonna go straight up, this trend line doesn't work. It was just fake breakout. Because it can happen. Look, guys, from 1 hour time frame, this is our trend line, and this could be fake breakout. They left only weak, and they can go straight up from here. Okay. Unless we're gonna bounce again from this area, maybe go down. We're gonna try to find a place to enter position and get a few more pips. I think there is another target somewhere higher, so we can try to make a plan how to get higher. I think Pablo made a plan. This candle is quite strong, guys. I need to hurry up. Yes, we got standard target from yesterday. All right. Target from yesterday. And it's at level 6474. Okay, the reaction is quite strong, which is good. So we're gonna wait for them to leave some imbalance behind. We're gonna try to enter the position maybe on imbalance to get to this target, which is higher. So guys, like you can see, I'm trying to be flexible. I'm not I try to not focus on one direction or one target. It all depends on market conditions. So if we're gonna go up here, we're gonna try to enter the position to get to this target. If the price will drop, we're gonna try to enter this target. So we got both sides, okay, one and the other one. There is a chance that we're gonna get to one target and we're gonna get to the other one. So for me, better option would be to get to this target first and then to that one, because this is nice area for long. So that would be the great scenario for me, because I could have two trades and hopefully to take profits, okay? But maybe not today, maybe not today. This reaction is quite strong. Volume footprint. Doesn't matter, okay. We got not too much space to open the trade. But don't worry, guys. If we're gonna go a little bit higher, we're gonna have some imbalance here. We might set pending order to enter the position to get to go up. Okay. So no rush, slowly. When you're playing short, not yet, not yet. Because the price came back to the other side of this resistance line. So that could be a fake breakout, and there is a chance we're gonna go higher now. So shorts this moment, not yet. Okay, we got breakout on Euro USD. Euro USD. Once order risk mode price point value percent 0.25. Just trying to get prepared for the trade. Because we got breakout through this triangle right here. If we're gonna come back and we're gonna have strong reaction, we're gonna try to enter the position. Like I said before, we got plan is ready and we can try to use it. Okay. So the price is coming back good. We got some imbalance, which is also good because that means the buyers were quite strong. Now all we need to do is to make a little bit bigger pullback, or they can just stop here. This is also support resistance zone, and we need strong reaction. Okay. Can we have a look at volume footprint? Oh, we missed that. We had a chance to enter the trade much earlier, guys. I missed that. We're supposed to enter the trade here. Now we could save. we could save it on break even, secure the trade. Aye. Doesn't matter now. Okay, the GBP USD is also breaking through this trend line. We got into liquidity zone. It doesn't mean we need to drop down here, but probably I will choose one, Euro or GBP, because they are similar, okay? So we're gonna pick one of these ones. Okay, let's wait for the price to come back a little bit more. USD CHF. Now they are going straight to the target. That's no good. That is no good. So we are looking between two, GBP and Euro. Okay, so we got Euro on the left and GBP on the right. So let's check which one's gonna be better to go up. Come on, come on. You see the price is dropping down. If you're gonna go back down, not gonna work. Then we're gonna wait for the scenario from the bottom to go up, and on GBP we're gonna look for this situation right here. If the price will come back now, we're gonna wait for this one. So guys, we are ready for every single scenario. So to go up from here, to go up from the other place, there is a reaction. Gonna look at the volume footprint. It will help me to make decision. Euro on the left and GBP on the right. Not yet. I cannot see buyers at this moment. The only thing good is about British pound that look at this delta, guys. We got bullish delta and candle is bearish. That means someone is pushing the price up. Pushing the price down, sorry. Come on. Oh, I've got coffee, guys. Come on. What's going on with crude oil, guys? Let's have a look at crude oil because the price is going higher. No, the price is going higher. So probably we can try to enter the position, but we're gonna have to look for the price to come back down. We're gonna wait for the pullback, and then we're gonna try to enter the position. I'm gonna switch the screen for just the one. I'm gonna remove volume footprint candles right here, and let's switch to crude oil. You can see the price is going up, so let's look for volume footprint. Oh, we got imbalance here, which we can use probably to enter the position, unless we're gonna go straight to the target. But if the price will make small pullback, we're gonna try to enter the position somewhere around this area. So let's wait for this trade. Now it's a little bit too late. Too late. What about Euro and GBP? GBP is going down. We got double top over here. We got we got some equal highs. We got equal highs. Usually that means continuation of, if we are in bearish trend, that means we're gonna go lower. So the first plan, what we made on GBP Euro, GBP USD, try to mix GBP and Euro. Come on, GBP USD. This can be a nice place for enter the position. So our first plan can work. This can be fake breakout. It doesn't have to be, because now if we're gonna have a reaction and the price will close above the support resistance, we still have a chance to open the trade. So Euro maybe yes, but GBP probably we're gonna have to wait for the price to get here. Okay. Let's have a look at crude oil. The price stopped at this moment, so maybe we can come back down. If yes, I will set order right here. Something like this. If we're gonna get here, this plan, we will have to remove it. Come on. What's going on with gold? Gold still in that range, so trust me, I hate this kind of ranges on gold. It's hard to find the right setup. Maybe you like this kind of ranges, guys, but I usually, when I see this kind of range, it's a red flag for me. I try to many times use this kind of range. Of course, we can try to get, from the top of the range to the bottom, up and down. Okay, but for me, no, I prefer when the direction is set and we are in some kind of trend, we can look for some reversals, for continuation. For me, it's working much better. So gold still, no, maybe later on, guys. Maybe it's gonna be better to wait for US session. Okay. All right, guys, we got 1 minute and we're gonna start another live trading session on our Discord channel. Let me just explain what's going on Euro. Basically, we are looking at three currency pairs: Euro, GBP, and crude oil. Euro, we still have a chance to get to this target, or maybe to the high of yesterday. But now we need strong reaction. If we're gonna have nice bullish candle, we can try to enter the position with the stop loss under the support resistance zone, and we can try to get 1 to 2 risk to reward, maybe a little bit more. So this scenario is still valid, but we need nice, strong reaction now. If not, that's okay. We're gonna wait for the price to go back down, and maybe here buyers will activate, and then we're gonna go higher. If not this one, we got GBP USD, which is slowly going back down. So we got our plan saying that we should look for a trade somewhere around this area right here. So we're gonna do that. And crude oil, if we're gonna get to the target, this setup won't work, but if now we're gonna reverse, this can work. We'll see. If not, guys, I will look for some other trade on crude oil. We are in bullish market structure. We can look for some reversals also. Here we got some high from yesterday. We can try to use it. Try to use this high. We can try to use our strategy price action cycle later on, because this is some kind of range. So later we may look for some reversal to go back into the trading range. So we got other options, guys. Remember, don't rush, do not enter stupid positions, do not enter positions only because the market is moving. Wait for the right moment, wait for the right setup, and you will thank you later, okay? So guys, for now, that's it. Another trading session on our Discord channel. So thank you for today, guys. Tomorrow we're gonna have another live trading sessions on YouTube. Let me just double check. Maybe we're gonna have another one today on YouTube. Guys, Tuesday live trading session on YouTube. No, later on we got on Discord channel. Tomorrow we got 2 live trading sessions on YouTube. So. Guys, thank you for today. I will see you later on our